that okay that he's eating that thing?
That's an edible one.
It's not one of those, but
It has a 3-pack. One cleans
you
teeth,
wanna
the
come
other
over and see
one's
the dog?
just a normal one. And,
Okay,
the
bye.
other one's edible.
Mom, these are upgrader bones. This one is the protector bone, and this one's the anti-galactic bone.
It's
she
like
said
collected.
they're upgrade bones.
I called to Joy, like, he goes, hey, what do you want? I'm like, you want to see the dog? And he goes, nope, okay, I'm like, okay, bye.
Feed these dogs
he's coming over in a
these
second.
bones.
I'm making a video of him. Showing up
Stop, Lila.
bone.
Lila, you ready to go home, honey?
Our new dog. Yeah,
New dog.
his name is Zeus.
Say hello to the camera.
Hello, camera.
Hello, fart people. Hello, fart people.
I'm really surprised Ava didn't fight you guys about the name.
Yeah, no.
I really don't like it still.
Well, we like it. That's his name, and that's what's going to stick.
See if he has any fleas.
He's not gonna go in his cage right now.
You're trying to
Good
kill
choice on
a
the
dog.
dog, Liv.
You are a horrible dog person.
Ava, that is not nice.
Kidding. I was
Say
kidding.
you're sorry.
Sorry.
Zach, did they say anything about how many times she normally feeds them?
No, we're going to look that up. They didn't say anything. So we need to look up. I know you're only supposed to feed them like twice or 3 times a day at certain times. You don't want the bowl always full.
Should I ask her how many times she feeds them?
Yeah.
Oh, he wants the protector bone.